No need to wash your hair every time you apply the spray that we're about to make in this video. This DIY is a leave-in spray and it should be left in your hair. If you have thin hair, bald hair, stunted hair growth, stagnant growth, your hair is shedding or breaking, you have to make and apply this hairspray 2 to 3 times weekly. Start applying after your routine wash and style as usual. This simply means that you should start using this on freshly washed hair. No need to wash your hair every time you apply this spray. Sorry, but I have to repeat this for those of you that may not understand. If you experience extreme hair fall, breakage, shedding, slow hair growth, make this DIY herbal hair growth and scalp relief tea. When you are to apply, make sure to apply on your scalp and hair shaft and massage it in very well into your hair. If you want it to work fast, your hair will grow insanely fast. You will notice the change in your hair within a month of use in most people, and some people from 2 to 3 weeks of use. This spray will promote healthy hair growth, dandruff relief. It curbs hair loss, breakage and thinning. It thickens the hair, strengthens the hair follicles to withstand baldness, prevents premature graying of the hair. No, it doesn't leave a smell, more of a herbal smell, but you can mask it with lavender essential oil. Before I continue, I appreciate every review you guys leave me in the comment sections, and I am glad and blessed that you all are seeing results from using our DIY products. In this part of the video, I would like to show you what an 8 months natural looks like under my supervision. For those of you that are doubting natural hair products, these products are 0 chemicals and 100% natural. So I started recording March 2023 and this is July 2023. Natural hair requires care and effort, so you need to care for your hair. If you really want your hair to grow, you really need to devote some time for your hair, take care of it, practice what you learn, and you will definitely see results. Most people allow genetics to becloud their mind and then they forget to care for their hair. So forget about genetics and care for your hair and it's going to thrive. Begin, grab a bowl like so, make sure it is well sterilized, and our first ingredient for today's recipe is Moringa powder. Moringa is rich in vitamins and minerals that are essential for healthy hair, including vitamin A, B vitamins, vitamin C, vitamin E, iron, and zinc. These nutrients work together to nourish your hair follicles, strengthen hair strands, and improve the overall health of your hair. One of the most important Moringa benefits for hair is that it boosts hair growth. Moringa contains vitamin A, like I mentioned earlier, omega-3 fatty acids. All these nutrients nourish the hair and promote growth. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in the development of healthy cells and tissues in the body. So for the proportion, I measured out 1 tablespoon of the Moringa powder into the bowl. Moving on to my second ingredient, I have cloves. Cloves contain high levels of antioxidants and nutrients that can add to the growth and strength of your hair. They can be used for protecting the scalp from dandruff, which is actually a major cause of weak and thin hair. Cloves also contain anti-inflammatory agents which further help in hair thickening. For the proportion, we are going to be making use of a tablespoon of cloves. These are cloves buds, but if you have the powder, feel free to use the powder. Please share with me if you've got any reviews from using cloves. You guys already know that this channel is turning to a cloves channel. Okay, we've been using cloves on this channel for a while now. Moving on to the third ingredient, I have star anise. Star anise helps in hair growth. Shikimic acid found in star anise is recognized as having advantages for hair growth. This has been shown to boost keratinocyte growth factors, lengthen hair shafts, and support vascular endothelia and hair growth. For your hair, there are so many benefits from anise. It helps to stimulate new hair growth, repair damaged hair, and it also brings moisture to dry hair. It can also treat scabies, lice, and other scalp conditions while bringing relief from flakes and dandruff. For the proportion, I also measured out 1 tablespoon of the star anise. Moving on to our third or fourth ingredient, I have hibiscus flowers. Hibiscus makes your hair strands firmly rooted. The active ingredients of hibiscus flowers and leaves are flavonoids and amino acids that nourish your scalp and hair roots. They stimulate hair growth, deeply condition hair strands, prevents dandruff and itchy scalp, delays hair graying, and prevents baldness. For the proportion, I made use of 4 flowers of the hibiscus. So next is to pour some hot water into all these ingredients in the bowl. So make sure to boil your water to 100 degrees Celsius. I just use this mug, electric mug, to boil my water. Then I now poured about 500 ml worth of the water into the bowl, and then next is to stir to combine all the ingredients. And then moving on, I used my foil paper to cover it just so it can trap some heat in the bowl, just so everything can infuse properly, so that we can get the best of the herbs, because they are all dried. So I covered that with my foil paper. Please do not use plastic, as that can interfere with the ingredients. So I uncovered after 12 hours. So you have to steep that for 12 hours. After 12 hours, you are good. For the straining, I made use of a strainer and a bowl to collect my filtrate. You can as well use cheesecloth, just in case you don't want any particles trapped in your spray. So after that, I will go ahead and transfer into my spray bottle, because that would help me spray that on the hair. So after transferring to my spray bottles, here is what we have, and I will go ahead and apply this on her hair. So starting with the the scalp, and then work my way to the hair shaft. Make sure you work that in properly. Make sure you massage it properly. Do not forget the tips. Your hair tips are very important. Whenever you are applying anything to your hair, make sure to remember your hair tips. Then after that, I twisted that up and then moved over to the next section. Make sure to always work in sections whenever you're doing anything to your hair. That way you're going to minimize tangles. All right, so after this application, you can go ahead and apply your leave-in conditioner and then seal with your hair grease. We have cloves hair grease on the channel. Please check it out and make it. I'm going to attach it on the end screen as well, so that you can make it as well. It works so well with this hairspray. For the storage, you can store this for only 5 days in the refrigerator, but if you add preservatives, it can last up to 6 months to 1 year. Please do not use this for kids below 2 years. So from 2 years upwards can use this. I think that may be all for now. If there is any other thing, I will communicate with you in the comment section below. So that brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you watched up to this point, you are the real MVP. Please give this video a like and also share.